Hi guys, welcome to the Francis YouTube channel. You know, so me gonna make some Jamaican curry shrimp today. My style, not nobody's style, my style. So come in my kitchen and let me show you how to make it.
Welcome to the Francis YouTube channel.
So guys, I will be using some spring onion. In Jamaica they call it scallion. And I will be using some chopped carrots. I'm gonna use some garlic. You know, say you can't cook nothing without garlic. You're mad. And I have some dry thyme that I will also be using. And I have red pepper here, so I'm gonna have some yellow sweet peppers. Some chopped onions. And some tomato. So we chop it up. Yeah, man. So guys, you know, so I'm gonna use some butter. I love use butter, you know. I love butter. And this is the real Jamaican curry. You know, me have to walk up and down the UK to find it, guys. I'ma find it. Look on the color. The color pretty. Look all the color pretty, guys. Yes. So guys, I will also using some all-purpose seasoning, and I will also be using some complete seasoning, and also I'll be using a tip of paprika. So guys, here is our shrimp. Yes, so them big and pretty and nice. Yes, I'm gonna curry them up. Nice them up. So guys, I am ready to season my shrimp. So I'm gonna use the all-purpose seasoning right here, so. Then I will be using a bit of complete seasoning. Also, I'll be using a tiny bit of paprika. And now guys, I'll be using my Jamaican curry powder. And then I'm gonna just give it a bit of stir, and I will put it away until I'm ready for it. Guys, I'm gonna cook my shrimp now in my favorite pot. I love that pot here. It all, but I love it. So now I'm going in now, guys, with my butter. Yes, man, I love butter, I know. So now I'm putting in my sweet peppers and my scallion and my chopped onions and now my carrots last but not least, my chopped garlic. So now guys, me gonna mix up a thing them, you know. You say it smell, yo, this smell good. Good. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it, allow it to simmer down for about 6 to 7 minutes before I add the shrimp inside of this sweet seasoning. So it's now about 7 minutes guys, and you can see that it's simmered down. Look at that. Oh my god, it smells so good. And off camera I did add a bit of curry powder to the seasoning, give it a little bit of color. So now guys, I am pouring in my shrimps. And now I'm going to give it, I'm gonna stir it up then. Stir it up. Look how good that looks guys. So guys, as you can see, it's now simmered down, and I'm getting ready to pour a cup of water over it. As you can see, it is well simmered down. Smells very nice. So now I'm pouring about a half cup of water over it, and I'm going to leave it, not boil, but you know, simmer down a little, because I don't want my shrimps to be cooking for a very long time, because I don't want it trashy. Just want it soft and nice. And here is the finishing touch guys. Look at that. Finito. Looking nice. Looking good. Ready for eat. Who do that? Me do that. Who say me can't cook? Who say me can't cook? Look on this guys. Look at this. Look at the presentation. Look at the rice. Well, Shelly. Well, Shelly, always put either you can put foil paper over your rice, or you can put one plastic bag, because Jamaica usually use plastic bag. You can put what you call it, saran wrap, to give that, man, you just make your rice. Shelly, look on this, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to comment. Thank you. Love you all. Check out the food, man. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Thank you.